As we move closer to retirement, many American retirees are looking for stable, secure ways to ensure their wealth holds its value, and gold and silver are two of the most reliable assets for this. In a world of fluctuating markets, inflation, and economic uncertainties, gold and silver stand out for their ability to preserve wealth over the long term. But how do they actually play a role in protecting your retirement? Let's dive into it. Now, you might have heard about gold and silver being good for protecting wealth, but why exactly are they so crucial for your retirement strategy? One of the key reasons is their historical performance. Unlike stocks, bonds, or real estate, gold and silver have been a trusted store of value for thousands of years. Whenever there's a downturn or inflationary pressures, these metals hold their ground or even increase in value. That means they act as a buffer against the unpredictable swings of the stock market, keeping your savings safe when you need them most. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, it's essential to understand why thousands of Americans are turning to gold IRAs. For a deeper dive into why gold IRAs are such a strong retirement option, check out the first link in the description below for a free guide. This guide gives you actionable insights into securing your wealth, especially if you're someone with 100K or more in your IRA or 401K. Now, let's talk about the practical side of things. Unlike cash, which can lose value with inflation, gold and silver tend to rise in value as the purchasing power of the dollar falls. This is vital for anyone looking to safeguard their retirement. You don't want to risk having a fixed income that becomes less valuable over time due to inflation. Gold and silver can protect against that, providing you with a hedge against rising costs of living. But here's something not everyone knows. Putting gold and silver in an IRA offers unique tax advantages. When you invest in a gold IRA, you're able to defer taxes until you take distributions. This gives you more growth potential than if you were simply buying physical gold and holding it in a safe deposit box. The tax-deferred growth is one of the biggest reasons why gold IRAs are an optimal solution for retirees. What makes gold IRAs stand out compared to traditional investment options like stocks or bonds? The key difference is stability. While stocks can offer high returns, they're also volatile. Bonds, on the other hand, are often low risk, but they also yield lower returns, especially in a low interest rate environment. Gold and silver offer the best of both worlds, protection and growth. And when you roll your retirement savings into a gold IRA, you're adding a layer of security that most people overlook. Now, you might be wondering, are there risks with investing in gold and silver? Like any investment, there are risks, but historically, gold and silver have shown far less volatility than the stock market. The stability these metals provide makes them a great option for anyone entering or already in retirement, where minimizing risk is key. So, if you're looking to avoid the market's ups and downs, a gold IRA might just be the answer. If you're still skeptical about whether gold IRAs are right for you, consider this. Many experts recommend a diversified portfolio that includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and precious metals. By adding gold and silver to your portfolio, you're ensuring that you're not overly exposed to any one asset class, which helps stabilize your retirement income. And the great part? A gold IRA lets you do this within a tax-advantaged account. For American retirees with 100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings, this option becomes even more important. If you're nearing retirement or already retired, securing your wealth with gold and silver could be one of the smartest financial decisions you make. And if you're serious about protecting your wealth, don't wait. Take action now. Before we wrap up, I want to give you one last reminder. Securing your future with gold and silver is not just about wealth preservation. It's about ensuring that the money you've worked so hard for doesn't lose its value over time. Whether you're looking for stability, tax advantages, or protection against inflation, gold and silver in an IRA are an excellent solution. So, if you're ready to learn more about how to protect your retirement savings, especially if you have 100K or more in your IRA, click that first link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide. This could be the key to safeguarding your future.